Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the watch off and removing any obstructing strap. This prevents short circuits and gives clear access. Next, use a small screwdriver and a plastic spudger. Metal can damage contacts, so choose tools that fit. Lay the watch on an ESD mat or soft cloth to protect the screen and electronics. Once done, photograph the back and screw locations so you know where each screw returns. Make sure to keep parts organized. It speeds reassembly and avoids lost tiny screws. You now remove the back plate and locate the battery connector. Unscrew plates methodically and place screws by location. Use a plastic tool to gently pry the battery connector straight up. This prevents board damage. Do not yank wires. If adhesive holds the battery, heat the back briefly or slide a thin plastic card under it to loosen the bond. Once free, lift the battery carefully with a spudger, watching for glued edges and keeping components undisturbed so connectors remain intact for reconnection. You place the new battery into the cavity, ensuring polarity and fit match the original. Once seated, reconnect the battery connector firmly but gently so pins align. Before sealing, power the watch on to verify boot, charging response, and fundamental sensors. This lets you fix connection issues without reopening the case. If tests pass, apply fresh adhesive or the original gasket, then replace the back plate with proper torque. Do not over-tighten. If it fails to boot, check the connector seating and inspect flex cables for damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.